David Hahn's story is one of brilliance, obsession, and tragedy. Born on October 30th, 1976, in Royal Oak, Michigan, David grew up in a challenging household. His father, Ken Hahn, was a mechanical engineer, while his mother, Patty, struggled with depression and schizophrenia. When David was just 4 years old, his mother was institutionalized. His parents divorced when he was 9, and David was raised by his father and stepmother, Kathy Missig. Despite the turmoil, David's curiosity for science flourished, partly thanks to his step-grandfather, who gave him the Golden Book of Chemistry experiments. This gift sparked a passion that would shape his life in extraordinary and dangerous ways. Eager to replicate the book's experiments, David mowed lawns to fund his projects. His early experiments were risky. He once created chloroform, and following the book's suggestion, sniffed it, passing out for over an hour. His home experiments, often involving fireworks and model rockets, soon raised safety concerns. His father, hoping to provide structure, encouraged him to join the Boy Scouts. It was here that David earned a merit badge in atomic energy, further fueling his fascination with nuclear science. David's scientific endeavors took a dangerous turn when he became obsessed with creating a breeder reactor. Determined to collect samples of every element on the periodic table, he gathered radioactive materials from everyday items: americium from smoke detectors, thorium from camping lanterns, radium from antique clocks, and tritium. Using these, he constructed a crude neutron source in his backyard shed. While not a true nuclear reactor, his device emitted radiation levels over 1,000 times the normal background. Alarmed by the risks, David began dismantling his setup, but before he could finish, a chance encounter with the police revealed his activities. The discovery triggered a federal response involving the FBI, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, and the EPA. Authorities declared his mother's property a hazardous site, dismantling the shed and burying its contents as low-level radioactive waste. Despite the severity, David refused medical evaluation for radiation exposure. His mother, fearing the consequences, had secretly disposed of much of the radioactive material in regular trash. The incident marked the beginning of a downward spiral for David, who faced growing mental health struggles. The fallout from his radioactive experiment left David struggling with depression, made worse when his mother unalived herself in 1996. After high school, he briefly attended Macomb Community College, but lacked direction. Seeking stability, he joined the Navy, serving aboard the nuclear-powered USS Enterprise. Later, he enlisted in the Marine Corps but was discharged on medical grounds. His life continued to unravel. In 2007, he was arrested for stealing smoke detectors to extract americium. His mugshot, showing sores likely caused by radiation exposure, became infamous. He served time, but also received psychiatric treatment. On September 27, 2016, David Hahn died at the age of 39 from accidental intoxication involving alcohol and fentanyl. Despite his tragic end, his story endures. Known as the Radioactive Boy Scout, David's exploits have been documented in books, films, and podcasts. His tale serves as a cautionary reminder of the fine line between genius and obsession, highlighting the dangers of unchecked curiosity and the importance of mental health support.